Hello guys, I'm Admnitract. I'm the opposite clone of Ingust.
Are you serious? My opposite clone.
Yes, 676 7676 761 61 61 61.
Stop saying 67 and 61. You are mental.
Absolutely no, baby. I ain't mental.
Ria, Cynthia, Sophia, Diana, Biana, G major, 137, and radio P 23. Come here, right now, immediately.
Why did you call us?
Because my opposite clone said 67 and 61, and she summoned Klasky Zupo effects.
Hey, you are not allowed to summon Klasky Zupo effects because it's so annoying sometimes.
G major 137 and radio V23 are gay.
Stop calling us gay, Garara.
Lee loves Alexa Belanov.
No, I hate Alexa Belanov.
What's wrong, Lee? Are you okay?
Cynthia enjoys getting oiled up in the Diddy party.
Excuse me, how dare you say that? Guess what? Take this.
Cynthia, why did you hit me with the Nokia phone?
Because you won't stop being a UTTP user and say inappropriate things.
I'm coming for you!
Cynthia, I love your new supercar!
Me too! Come inside, Lucy and Lulu.
Meanwhile, the others.
Are you serious?
What a weird
Again.
stuff here. Now finally I can relax.
This ain't relaxation.
What you mean this ain't relaxation? This place is so nostalgic and lovely.
Hello, Sophia. Nice to meet you.
Hello, are you G major 328?
Yes, I am.
D major
Enough characters.
676 here.
OMG, hello, Jana.
Is that
Of
Gianna?
course, Diana and Biana.
Lucy here.
Lulu here.
I said enough characters.
Hello, Lucy.
Hello,
and
Gianna.
Lulu.
Cynthia.
How dare you?
WHAT.
You gotta be joking.
Actually, she needs to get out.
Sussy Baka. Sussy
Stop
Baka.
saying sussy baka.
Diana is a crybaby.
Stop calling
Lucy
me a
and Lulu twerking.
crybaby.
I'm not doing that inappropriate
Lulu,
things.
Check this out.
How dare you do that to my Jollibee burger? Stop sickening people.
God, this stinks!
Why is that? What was that?
Oh no.
Stop saying disgust. Monoxide.